Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm hapdeng jingiphuh iphieng mynta sngi arpnyo tarik Nailar kelala ban Pynkup Burom ya syajar riu spa live kendai Ngut Samla Pule kibla pyndep ya jingpule bapher na katei skulbah kiba kynthup ya khat Ngut scholars kibla pyndep ya PhD kendai spa riu Ngut kibla pyndep ya postgraduate degree but nyo spa khat riu Ngut kibla pyndep ya undergraduate degree. Hakatei sngi la Pynkup Burom kyrpang ru yu Bah Lou Majaw na Jylla Meghalaya da kyrdan Doctor of Literature halor synniang benhei bole kentiu shibun ya kaput ketem bat karwai kesiau hapok Jylla Meghalaya bat kumju la Pynkup Burom ru yu Zubeen Garg unong rwai balapau ha Jylla Assam. La sakhiru hakatei sngi da jingedon lang umah bubul hok Chancellor of Ustm Professor Ved Prakash former Chairman UGC Professor V.N. Rajsekharan Pillai, Vice Chancellor Somaiya Vidyasagar University Mumbai and former Chairman UCG and former Director NEHU, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Vice Chancellor Rajiv Gandhi University, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor NEHU, but kiwe ki kraw perkhat.
Always remember to live life responsibly.
In less than 22 years, CRDF has transcended this humble beginning. It now encompasses 2 CBSE affiliate senior secondary schools, 1 women's college, engineering college, BEd college, 2 pharmacy colleges, an Ayurvedic college, a business school and a law college, and 1 this distinguished university where we gathered to celebrate today. With a student enrollment of exceeding 12,000 and dedicated workforce of over 1,600 individuals who wholeheartedly contribute as a partners in our mission, Yearn's journey is one of the inspiration and growth. Today we stand with immense happiness that Ustm has achieved the remarkable distinction of being the first private university from Northeast to receive grade A from the NEHU. Additionally, our university has earned a position among the top 200 universities in India as per NIR ranking consecutively for last 3 years. These remarkable accomplishments are a testimony to the sincere dedication of our entire university community over the past few years, culminating in this inspiring recognition. Our path to excellence is guided by well-defined milestones in our journey to shape Ustm an institute of eminence by 2026. By 2026, we aim to elevate Ustm into one of the nation's premier universities. But recently, we found the people calling from all over the world. They are coming either there. Before 26, we are becoming world-class institutions. Because this university is sometimes grade water. And now, we are trying to come up with the water research center at this university. We express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for enacting the legislation in 2008, paving the way for the foundation of Ustm. I must recall the contribution of our beloved late Assam, and you are all knowing the tribute we are trying to give, that our upcoming medical college is coming in the name of late Assam. The former Chief Minister who has instrumental, and Dr. late Dr. Roy, who the enactment has been made when they were the Chief Minister. We want to fulfill the expectation of the government of Meghalaya and try to make it a global destination for teaching, learning and research. My dear students, as you stand on the brink of a new chapter, it is your dedication and inspiration that shape the identity and potential of our university. You are the principal spirit behind Ustm. The degrees you earn are not mere certificates. They are the keys that unlock the vast realm of knowledge and possibilities.